Hey guys, so today I got a UPS tracking number that I've got a package coming, and guess what it is? It's the Lumi Keys by Roli. I believe I'm one of the first people in the world to actually have it and experience what it is like, because I was a Kickstarter backer, and by being a Kickstarter backer, you get a few, you become one of the first people to actually get the box, get the product. And they're also sending it out in batches, which is really interesting. And I'm one of the first batches, so really, really exciting. Right, let's have a look at the box. The box looks really nice, nice velvet finish, colorful Lumi keys at the front, what you would expect. Pick a song, play it on Lumi, amaze yourself. Great. App Store, Google Play, all coming. All there. So let's open it. Let's see what it's like. You're only one step away from playing. First, download the Lumi app. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that on the iPad. I think their iOS app is coming out first. The Android is coming soon. So let's see. Lumi. Roli. I might have to try and scan the QR code because it's not finding it immediately. So it's taking me to the playlumi.com website, saying create an account or sign in. Let's create an account. Select the region, US or elsewhere. I'm going to do elsewhere. Date of birth. Let me just enter that. And yes, I agree. Okay, so enter your details. Email, first name, surname, username, and password. Let me just do that for a second. Registering. Right. Enter your serial number, which is on the back of your Lumi keys. Let's have a look what my serial number is. Is it on the back of the box as well, or do I have to take it out of the box? Might be on the back of the product. Okay, so let's have a look at the product then. Open the box. Wow. It actually looks really cool. Really, really cool. All black. You wouldn't even expect this thing to start being a colorful rainbow. Look at that. It's nice and smooth. Each one of these keys is actually a screen. That's incredible. Nice soft touch of the buttons. Really compact as well, really small. Fits in two hands, really portable. You can put it in a laptop bag. Lumi by Roli. Designed in London, assembled in Mexico. That's pretty cool. So let's put my serial number in on the app. It's quite a long number, so you have to bear with me, sorry. Okay, great. Register. Access Lumi Premium. Okay, let's have a look at what that means. So Lumi Premium is, what I've read in the Kickstarter updates is that it works like a freemium model, so you get free songs that you can play, and then you can also pay a monthly subscription for the premium. And as a Kickstarter backer, I think we get 6 months of free premium, which I'm going to activate later. So let's have a look at that later. Premium great songs, pop, classical, rock, EDM, R&B, interactive lessons, new content every month, and my iPad battery died. Right, let's have a look at the product once again. I will be making another video afterwards about activating the Lumi and actually playing it. But so far it looks really exciting. It's got connectors on the sides, so you can connect it to other Lumi devices, and I believe other Roli products as well. So 2 on each side, and then there's 4 here on the top, on the back actually, and there's a small USB-C connector, probably for charging it. Inside the box you also get a USB-C to a USB cable, like I said, I believe for charging, and a small instruction booklet and warranty. I believe that's it. Yeah, pretty simple. And I guess it will be pretty self-explanatory once we plug it in and have a try. All right. See you later, guys.